canvas at this point. She's up to operating temperature. Idling at about 750. Oil pressure's fine. Fuel gauge is working. Coolant is circulating. Catalytic converter is not glowing red hot. A little bit of smoke coming out of the crankcase vent, but aside from a few issues like the fact that I need to hook up the choke, thermal choke is not connected, I've bypassed the ballast resistors. We're consistently putting out about 9 to 10 psi on the fuel gauge, but she is running. Now we're going to demonstrate the other portion of my work. Press clutch, shift car to first. Car moves forward. Push clutch in, pull into reverse. Car moves backwards. Yep, I have fixed the clutch. The brakes, I think, are still sticking a little, but honestly, with all of the work that I've gotten done thus far, that's not too bad. I may lower the curb idle just a tad. I think it's a touch high. These are real easy carbs to do. Line the screwdriver up with the fork. Back off. Dropped a little. Honestly, that sounds pretty good. I mean, I'm happy with how she's running, aside from the little bits of smoke. But she's running on all six. I'm not getting that horrible sucking, flapping motion you'd get if she weren't. There's a little ticking in the valve train, actually. And she appears to be losing a little bit of oil, but, you know, fairly normal stuff for a car like this. Yeah, definitely a little noise on the passenger side. Now that I got her running, I'm going to dive into that. Carb cable still needs adjustment. Haven't figured out how I'm going to mount that just yet. It's not hooked up to anything. So the only way to adjust the throttle is by hand back here. Lines are hot. Yep, this thing's gotten so hot in here in the tank that it's just melted the text right off of my label. Interesting. But she's keeping nice and cool. Voltage is consistent. That's how it's supposed to be.